Hi everyone, it's Mr. Ingman from Barnsley Music Service. We're going to learn about tones and semitones. What I'm showing you on the screen there is a picture of the keys on a piano or a keyboard, and the reason I'm doing that is it's a lot easier to understand about tones and semitones if you can visualize a piano keyboard. If you don't play a piano or a keyboard, it's a little bit harder thinking about that from the point of view of your instrument. You can see there that all of the black notes, like D sharp and E flat, all have two different names. When the sharps and the flats have two different names, it's called having an enharmonic equivalent, and all of them have that. So you can see there D sharp and E flat, I've put the red box around just to show you, but F sharp and G flat exactly the same. A good way of thinking about a semitone is that it is a half step. So you can see there between D and D sharp or E flat is half a step. There's no other note in between there. Likewise, looking down from B, the half step lower is the B flat. A really important piece of learning here, and again this is something that piano and keyboard players know already, but you might not know this if you don't play the piano or the keyboard. Between E and F and B and C, you can see there's no black note. So that means that E and F is a semitone, likewise B and C is a semitone. So if a semitone's a half step, a tone is a full step. It's made up of two semitones. You can see there the red arrow showing you between C and D, that's a tone. If you look at the red arrow now, going down from the A to the G is a tone lower. Because of what I mentioned earlier on about E and F being a semitone and B and C being a semitone, the tone higher than E is an F sharp. Likewise, the tone higher than a B is a C sharp. The tone lower than an F is an E flat.